Small break. Alert RCB today. Heat with the temperatures over 30 degrees Celsius. Stay in the shade. Avoid sunlight. Physical effort and dehydration. In case you feel worse, call 112. And here I am. Biking uphill. Fully loaded. In the full sun. I don't think you can do any more physical effort than this. It's crazy, but almost at the top, and well, still don't know if there's any roads or anything. The biking down is gonna be fun. Oh my god, I think I'm almost at the top. Can't believe I biked all the way up. It's funny, man, how people are looking at you when you're biking uphill. Obviously a beer and some chippies. Holy fuck, look at this. Just went away from the horde a bit, just a bit. Wow, the sound. That's super nice. Amazing. So right now I'm going to the ridge of the mountain, the exact middle point, and I guess the goal is reached, and there will be a cherry on top if I could bike along the ridge. Wow, look at that over there. Look at that. Wow, those trees look so small. This entire environment is ridiculous. This peak is even higher than where I'm at. Mental. Wow. I don't know what's up with this part, but I feel so at home with this flat style avant like that. I don't know. Feel nostalgic or something. Anyway, I'm gonna climb up this thing, even though it's probably not allowed. Holy shit. this is not good to do with a beer. With a beer. Holy shit! Some fucking high shit over here. Woohoo! Right now I'm Wodelspad Kamincia. Wodelspad Kamincia or something. There's another waterfall here. Look at this. Such a cool environment here. This little hut with an antenna. Hey, little friendo. Oof.
Different hours.
Well, thanks for the conversation, man. I enjoyed it. And yeah, paths will cross somewhere.
Zbliżamy się do stacji Wrocław Zachodni.
Well, it's a bit of a small room, but it's cheap. It has a bed. I'm not dying without oxygen and vodka armor. So I think it's pretty cool.